application that helps to remove image background with no matter the type of design you are doing, whether flyer, whether business card. If you want to remove the background, this application will help you. So tap on the remove background. All right, tap on the remove background and select the image you want to remove its background. So let me just come to recent and select an image from. I'll select this lady. All right, so once you select it, wait automatically for the app to do the magic. It will do the magic, and as you can see, the background has been removed. So you can also erase any portion of the background if in case you feel it is unwanted. So you tap on the eraser over here, then as you can see, it is clearing the unnecessary parts. And in case you want to restore it, you just tap on the undo button and it will definitely bring everything back to you. All right, so this image background has been removed. This app works perfectly, but in order to avoid unnecessary ads, make sure you use it in offline mode. So you turn off your data before saving it, or else it will load unnecessary ads. So once you save it, I should have turned off the data even before coming to this platform. All right, so it will save unnecessary ads, and as you can see, it's saved. One thing this app does too is that, so let me turn on the data because the advert has already come.
Low MOQ available.
Let me close it. One thing it can also do is that it can also change image background. Maybe you want to automatically generate a new background for your image. So I tap on create new, then I go back, and as you can see, we have AI background. Select the AI background over here, then select any image at all you want to use. All right, so let me use that same lady. Then you are going to select the size you want to export the image in. Are you using it for IG story, YouTube thumbnail, or WhatsApp sticker, or what at all are you using it for? So let's assume I'm using it for IG. All right, the square. Okay, let me use the original one. Then you tap on continue. So over here you are going to enter a prompt to suit the image or the background you need. So let's assume I'll need a desert. All right, so I can say just write desert, or a church, or school, anything at all. Then when you are done, you tap on generate. Make sure your data connection is secured, and because you are going to watch an ad, of about 5 to 10 seconds to unlock it, and the AI is going to do everything for you. Perfectly. So as you can see, it is perfectly loading, and let's wait for the AI to give us the desert background. Almost done. And yes, the background has changed successfully. Nice. And you can also edit it. And use another background. So this is the desert, and once you are done, you tap on the save to save this. And since my data is on, I'll definitely watch an ad. Don't forget, this is Max Blueprint, and like this video as well. Whether the image background was removed, you just open your designing app you have been using. So let's assume I'm gonna use the Pixel app, then cancel it, open a new, and I'm going to import the image I removed, its background. All right, I'm going to import it to see if the background is indeed cleared. So yes, as you can see, this background has been cleared, and it is from the free application we used. Want to know more about this update? Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Max Blueprint to be connected to any type of videos and other online free tutorials we upload. So now, after trying the application, let's try the web version of this. So this one, we are going to use the website of an image remover. It also works perfectly. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. Chrome browser, and you search for remove.bg. remove.bg. Then you launch it. So after launching it, it will come. So this is the software that we'll be using to remove the background of images. So you tap on upload images. Then let's say you want to remove the background of our logo, that is Maxi Digital Solution. So you open it and automatically everything will be removed. The software itself will remove the background of the images. Let's wait for it to finish processing. I'm sorry, it's like poor network, but let's wait, it will come very soon. So I'll be providing the link as well below this tutorial, so you can also access it directly from the link. So let's wait, it will finish processing right now. Once again, you are following this tutorial from Maxi Digital Solution. I'm suffering from poor networks. Let's wait a while, it will come very soon. Alright, so it has been removed. You can see the buttons over there, download. So you can tap on the download button and automatically it will download this removed background to your gallery. So you can access it at your recent gallery. So you tap on the download, that's the blue one over there. You tap on the download and it will download it. So download again and file downloaded. So you can open it, and here is it. The background has been removed from this image. So if in case you want to check if the background has indeed been removed, you can launch your your application for flyer or design. So I'm using Pixel App Pro. So I launch my Pixel App Pro, then I open a new sheet, a new blank page for this. So you open your gallery, then you can see that it is at the recent images. So it is at the recent images. I tap on it, and as usual, after tapping on it, you have realized that indeed the image background has been removed. So thank you all for your time, and this will be the end of the tutorial.